राकेट था।
Devika Kabra, and I have studied in Shekhawati International Academy in CBSE class 10th. I have scored 94% in my 10th CBSE board examinations, and I'm first of all thankful to all my teachers and my parents for their precious support that they have gave me in the entire year. I have studied in St. Jyotiba Phule Academy, and before taking admission in this school I was not that good student. I was like an average student, but since the day I have came here I have felt the competitive environment here. The students were also very competitive, and so like that I have managed and I have adjusted myself like that so that I can achieve good marks in my academics. And so yeah, it's all efforts of my teachers, my honorable teachers, and my parents too, who have supported me in the entire year. Whether I have scored good marks or bad marks, they have always encouraged me at my every level, whether I have scored average marks or even lower marks. And I want to even share one of my incidents that the first test of my SIA, I still remember Ramnivas has taken that, and I have scored like 2.5 marks in that out of 10, which I still remember, but now I am feeling very grateful. First of all, our honorable director sir, who have motivated me since day one. When I met him for the first time, from the day one he motivated me and he told me to keep a positive attitude and to always move further, and he told me that you should always keep a competitive nature in yourself, but in a good and positive way. And I want to thank all of my honorable teachers who have supported me so in the entire year, whether it's like questions or whether it's explaining something or not. They are so knowledgeable and they are so frank, I would say. I would like to thank the entire staff, the entire team, the entire management, especially Suman ma'am, our honorable principal ma'am of the school. I want to thank my parents who have supported me a lot and who have always encouraged me. My life and is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I think he was a great scientist who have gave a very big development, and his contribution to our nation, I guess it's very big, and he is my role model. And from that and from him I want to join maths science stream further after 10th, and I want to get admitted in IIT. A quote with you all of one of my personal favorite ladies, Honorable Michelle Obama, which is, instead of letting your hardship and failure discourage you or exhaust you, let them inspire you and let them even make you more hungrier to succeed in your lifetime.
मैं वेदिका काबरा की मदर हूँ, श्रीमती संगीता काबरा।
मैं वेदिका काबरा के पापा हूँ, अशोक कुमार काबरा।
आई एग्री कि बच्चों को बुक्स और डिग्री बच्चों को टॉपर बनाती है, पर आज के ज़माने में जो टैलेंट और स्किल है बच्चों को अचीवर बनाती है। तो आज के युग में बच्चों को इन दोनों को मैनेज करके चलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर बुक से वो टॉपर हासिल करते हैं तो अपने स्किल और मेहनत से वो अपने आप को अचीवर भी हासिल करते हैं। सो इस चीज़ के लिए मैं वेदिका को और उनके टीचर्स को बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ जो उन्होंने इस मुकाम पर लाए, क्योंकि उनकी बहुत मेहनत है। स्कूल के सारे टीचर्स को मेरी तरफ से बहुत इतनी भी मेहनत की है, वो घर के फंक्शन हो या फिर घर के रिलेटिव्स के फंक्शन हो, वो किसी भी फंक्शन में 2 साल से अटेंड नहीं की। इवन अगर घर के प्राइवेट भी काम होता है कि नहीं मम्मा टाइम वेस्ट होगा मेरा, मैं इतनी देर में ये पढ़ाई कर लूँगी, तो इस चीज़ को उसने बहुत मेंटेन किया। सुबह उठ करके स्कूल से आने के बाद भी बस 15-20 मिनट का ब्रेक लेती और फिर पढ़ने पर बैठ जाती कि नहीं मेरे को मम्मा कुछ करना है, स्कूल में मेरे को टॉप लाना है, और इस चीज़ को उसने हासिल भी किया है। तो सभी बच्चों को मैं यही कहूँगी कि आज के युग में जो ये युग चल रहा है इसमें कम से कम सिर्फ अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दें। अदरवाइज अगर एक मुकाम हासिल कर लेते ऊंचाई पर तो आपको वहाँ से हिलाने वाला